Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase is a straightforward process, so here are the steps you can follow. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Coinbase in the search box. Once you find the Coinbase application, make sure that you've downloaded the application on your device. Wait for the app to download or install, and after it's done, click on Open to open the Coinbase app on your device. Go ahead and create a new account if you don't have one already, or if you have an existing account, sign into your account. After you are signed in, you will need to verify your information if you haven't done so already. Click on Verify Info and complete the identity verification process. This will include providing personal information and uploading a photo ID. Now that you've verified your identity, the next step is to add a payment method. Tap the waffle menu at the top left corner from the main homepage and click on Profile and Settings at the top. Once you tap on Profile and Settings, you will be able to see this payment method option. Tap on Add a payment method and then choose to add a bank account, credit or debit card, or any other available payment methods. Follow the prompts to link your payment method. You will need to type in payment information for your selected option and link a credit card or your debit card or any other modes of payment. After you are done adding a payment method, go to the main dashboard. Now click on Buy and Sell at the bottom left. Click on Buy option in the pop-up. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase from the list and then enter the amount you want to buy. You can specify the amount in your local currency or the amount of crypto. Select your payment method and then review the transaction details including any fees. Click on the Buy button to complete the purchase. And that's how you will be able to buy a crypto on Coinbase account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.